Gago. Ang baho.
Okay, here we go.
Ang baho.
Kasi tatlo sila dito. Bigel, I think.
Ang baho. Yan? Yan, mama? May matanda.
Si Johnny Bigel at si Jay.
Likod ng jacuzzi, mami.
Oh, yan! Tsagan! Pwede.
Go.
Slippers are on the
Pagawa na yung knob.
I think he'll be holding like a bigyan yan tayo ng board. Punta na, XCD6. Let's go.
Ay! Teka, baka puno pa ng laway dito, ha?
Yeah.
Hurry. Baho talaga.
Baho. Mas likot. Doon?
Hindi ko lang.
Wala na si
Yeah, nice. Finish na.
Ngayon siya na yung tumatawa sa atin. Nala niyo
Oo nga, finish na ata.
Oo, siguro. He's done. Watch, as soon as we open the door, he comes in.
Let's just wait for a bit.
Sabi ni Kuya, maghintay ka muna dito.
Finish na. Feeling ko.
He's laughing at us. He's sitting on the couch.
Baka tapos na. Kasi kanina mabilis lang siya eh.
Tago tayo sa likod ng buhay.
Oo, pabalik-balik na.
Oh, yeah.
Oo! Tatago.
I'm behind the jacuzzi. That's where he comes in. Kailangan ko. Kailangan.
Aray,
He went to the group.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
What is that? No.
Sorry. Sorry.
Okay.
Excuse me. Thank you.
Kailangan talaga makita siya.
Tingnan mo. Take chance. Take chance.
Thank you.
Sa baba, yung pinag-alhuli, yung isa.
Thank you. Salamat.
Fun.
I called it too as soon as we opened the door.
Oh, never. He would have been harder for him to find it.
Man.
Sayang.
Well, you can see us in the mirror.
I haven't worn my hair there.
Oh.
Feeling ko, okay lang.
Wow, init dito.
Oo. Buti nga sa room malamig na eh. At least.
Pumasok pa siya sa girls' bedroom.
Oo, doon niya inuna. Nahilo tuloy ako.
Magaling ka, kasi sa akin yan, di ba? Masaya yun.
It was fun. Something to do lang.
Sorry, Richie. Kung fun
Fun while it lasted.
Ano
I
siya?
really had one more. Grabe, lang.
So you pass it?
Sige, isang shelf. Diba, may ganun yun.
Ano yan? No, look.
Right here!
Became our blanket.